Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to contact support in Instawork to get help with your account, shifts, payments, or any other questions you might have. To start, open the Instawork app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the question mark icon or the Help section, usually found in the top right corner or in the app menu. Tapping on Help will take you to the Instawork Help Center, where you can browse through frequently asked questions and common issues. If you don't find what you need, look for the option to contact support directly. Instawork offers a chat feature, where you can talk live with a support representative. To use this, tap the Chat Now button in the Help Center and type your question or issue. A support agent will respond to assist you. If you prefer email, you can contact Instawork support at partners@instawork.com for general inquiries. For specific issues, such as background check questions, there may be a different email listed in the Help Center. Additionally, some users may find phone support options depending on their location, but these are less common and usually noted in the app. Remember, using the official support channels is the best way to get accurate and timely help. With Instawork, if you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.